Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve a string-based coding problem that is frequently asked in TCS placement exams. The problem statement is given a string S of star and hash. The length of string is variable. The task is to find the minimum number of star and hash to make a valid string. If star is considered valid if the number of star and hash are equal. The star and hash can be at any position in the string. We have to note that the output will be positive or negative based on number of star and hash in the input string. If star is greater than the hash, then it will return a positive integer, and if hash is greater than the star, then it will return a negative integer. If both are equal, then it will return a 0. Let's see, understand the problem statement. For example, we have given a string s is equals to let's say star hash s star star. So you can see here there are two star and two hash, right? So basically they are equal. So number of hash is equal to number of star. So then we will return 0. Okay. So if the number of star increases, if the number of star increases, at that time we return a positive integer. If star is greater than the hash. For example, there are five five star and 2 hash. 5 minus 2, that is 3. So we will return positive integer 3. If if the hash is greater than the star, if hash is greater than the star, then we will return a negative integer. 2 minus number of hashes 4. 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2. Then at that time we will return minus 2. Okay, so the logic is, first we traverse the array and count the number of hash and number of star, and then we subtract both of them, and the result is will be negative and positive, or maybe 0. Let's see. Let's code the logic. First, we have to take a input s, get line cin, comma s, and then we have to print the input minimum change to valid, and there we will pass as our string in the function. And let's make the function. We have to return integer, so we will write int min change void string string s. First we have to declare the count. Int star count is equals to 0 initially. Hash count is equals to 0. Then we traverse the array, apply for loop here. From int I is equals to 0, I smaller than s dot size then I plus plus. If s of I is equal to star, then we count star count plus plus. And if s of I is equal to hash, then we increment hash count. After traversing the array, we subtract, we return the subtract value. Star count minus hash count. Let's execute our code. First, we have to take our input. For example, s dot size. Then we'll run. Successful status. Then we take a input. For example, we take a input hash s. And you can see here the output is 1, right? If here you can see star is greater than the hash. Star is 3 and hash is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So the output is 1. For example, if we make it equal 3, 3. So then you can see that the output will come 0. Okay. And if the number of hash will be increased, then then the answer will be in negative. Then now see, we get -4. That's it, guys. If you find this video interesting or educational, please like and subscribe to my channel.